This video is going to be on Desora. Desora has disloratadine in it. It's made by Continental Pharmaceuticals. The price for one bottle is 80 rupees. This bottle has 60 ml of liquid in it. Each ml contains 0.5 milligram of disloratadine. And disloratadine is used for relieving symptoms of allergic conditions such as sneezing, runny nose, itchy and red eyes, skin rashes or hives. Disloratadine belongs to a group of medications called antihistamines. It works by stopping the effects of histamine, a chemical that causes the allergy symptoms. For adults and children who are 12 years above, 10 ml to be taken once daily when required. For children 6 to 11 years old, 5 ml to be taken once daily when required. And for children 2 to 5 years old, 2.5 ml to be taken once daily when required. Do not use for longer than 14 days without medical advice. Disloratadine may be taken with or without food. For the syrup, shake the bottle before you use. And some side effects of this medication are fatigue, drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, nausea, indigestion, headache, etc. Some rare side effects are fast or irregular heartbeat, stomach pain, vomiting, indigestion or diarrhea. This medicine is unsafe for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers, so consult your doctor before use. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.